All right, so this is review, but we learned about the 3 sounds of Y. Y can make the Y sound, the normal Y sound, but then Y can also steal our long vowel sounds. So Y can sound like long I and Y can sound like long E. So remember our trick that we did. If there is a word and there are no vowels in the word, there's not an A, E, I, O, U, then more than likely it's a 1-syllable word ending in Y, and it's going to make the long I sound. So this word is cry with a long I sound. Now, this word does have a vowel. It has an A right here. So we know that since there's a vowel in this word, it's probably going to make the long E sound at the end. So we have H-A-P-E, happy. So what you're going to do is you're going to try to read through each one of these words, and you're going to then write them either in the sounds like I or sounds like Y box. So I am going to go through and read these with you real quick, just as a quick review. And then if you get stuck on one, you can always go back through it and listen to this again. So we have cry, happy, sky, tiny, try, handy, gravy, study, fly, my, candy, jelly, envy, jolly, why, buy, crazy, silly, fry, spry, and sly. So make sure you go through each one. Use our trick that we learned about having that vowel in there. If there's a vowel, it's probably going to make that long E sound at the end. Okay. When you're finished, make sure your name's at the top, and then it goes in our white basket right back there on top of those orange drawers. Okay. Use your best handwriting, and good luck.